Over 80% of drivers have zero clue these genius car tricks even exist. But here's the crazy part. One of these simple hacks could literally save you thousands by preventing early engine failure or expensive repairs. Most drivers ignore these tricks their entire lives, and you might be too before you spend another dollar at the mechanic. Here are 15 genius car hacks you've never heard of. Don't skip any of them. These will save you time and money. Let's start with hack number 15, backup keyhole behind car door handle. Imagine this, you're in a busy parking lot, your key fob battery just died, and the doors won't unlock no matter how many times you press the button. Panic starts to set in. Do you call a locksmith? Wait for roadside assistance? Not if you know this. Almost every modern car with keyless entry has a hidden physical keyhole tucked behind the driver's door handle. Look closely, there's usually a small plastic cover or cap right there. Pop it off gently with your fingernail or the edge of your key. Inside, you'll find a traditional keyhole that fits the slim metal emergency key hidden inside your fob. That little key isn't just for show, it's your lifesaver. Slide it in, turn, and you're back inside your car in seconds. What most people don't realize is this mechanical backup works even if your car's entire electrical system is dead. Electronic locks might fail, but this old-school keyhole never does. I've seen drivers avoid $100 plus service calls dozens of times with this one move. Pro tip, test it today while your battery is still good so you're not learning under pressure. Keep that emergency key on your keychain or in your wallet, never leave it in the glove box. Hack 14, Sharpie on car scratches. That first scratch on a new car feels like a stab in the heart. But before you get a $500 estimate from a body shop for a simple respray, head to your junk drawer. If you have a dark-colored car, a permanent marker is your best friend for surface-level scuffs. It's not just about hiding the color, it's about light refraction. A scratch shows up because the jagged edges catch the light. Filling it with a matching ink flattens that reflection, making the damage virtually vanish from 5 feet away. Expert move, color it in, let it sit for 30 seconds, then lightly buff the excess with a microfiber cloth dipped in a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol. It blends the ink into the clear coat and seals the metal against rust. It's the ultimate $2 fix. Hack number 13, built-in car fridge. You're on a long road trip. Your bottled water and snacks are turning warm, and there's zero extra space for a cooler. What if I told you many cars already have a built-in mini fridge and you've probably never used it? Check your passenger side glove box. On a surprising number of vehicles, especially from the last 15 years, there's a small vent or opening inside that connects directly to your AC system. Turn on the air conditioning, open the glove box, and cold air flows right in. It can drop the temperature inside 20-30 degrees cooler than the cabin on a hot day. Perfect for keeping drinks icy, chocolate from melting, or even storing medications that need to stay cool. Parents love it for baby bottles or snacks on family trips. Don't block that vent with papers or manuals, keep it clear for maximum cooling. It's one of those factory features that feels like a secret once you discover it. Road trippers, this one will change how you pack. Hack number 12, Vaseline on car headlights. Cloudy, yellowed headlights don't just make your car look old, they seriously cut down your nighttime visibility and can fail safety inspections. Restoration kits work okay, but take time and effort. After you've cleaned and polished the lenses, even with basic toothpaste if they're mildly oxidized, apply a thin layer of plain petroleum jelly Vaseline across the entire surface. Buff it in well with a clean microfiber. The jelly creates a protective barrier that repels water, blocks some UV rays, and helps slow down future oxidation. One application can keep headlights noticeably clearer for several months, depending on your climate and wash frequency. Reapply every few car washes. Bonus, the same trick conditions rubber weather seals, keeps wiper blades supple and shines up chrome trim. A $3 jar can protect multiple areas for a long time. It's not magic, but it's cheap preventative care that actually extends the life of your lights. Hack 11, transmission override for dead battery. This is the one that saves your ego. Your battery is flat and you're blocking a line of cars. You try to shift into neutral to push the car out of the way, but the shifter is locked tight. Every automatic car has a fail-safe. Look for a tiny rectangular tab near the shifter base, usually labeled Shift Lock. Pop that tab with your key, push the hidden button inside, and your transmission will slide into neutral without a single volt of power. You're now mobile. No tow truck, no embarrassment, just a quick move to safety. Hack 10, WD-40 for door hinges. That creak sound every time you open your door isn't just annoying. It's the sound of your hinge pins slowly grinding themselves into dust. A quick hit of WD-40 does two things. It displaces the moisture that causes the rust, and it flushes out the grit that's acting like sandpaper on your hinges. Don't wait for the squeak. Lubricate your hinges every 6 months and your doors will feel factory new for the life of the vehicle. Hack 9, wrap jumper cables in aluminum foil. Ever try to jump a car and get absolutely nothing? Often, it's not a dead battery, it's a bad connection. Corrosion on battery terminals creates a layer of electrical insulation. The fix: wrap a small piece of aluminum foil around the battery terminal before you clamp the jumper cable down. The foil is soft and highly conductive. It squishes into the gaps of the corrosion and the clamp teeth, ensuring 100% of the power gets through. It's the difference between being stranded for 3 hours and starting up on the first crank. Hack number 8, coin near car door handle. Before we get to the really surprising ones, do me a favor: if you're learning something useful so far, hit that like button. It really helps the channel keep bringing you these practical tips. Now, here's something every driver should be aware of. Some thieves use a simple coin or small wedge jammed into the door handle to interfere with the locking mechanism. You press lock on the fob, hear the beep, walk away, but the door never actually secured. Before you leave your car, do a quick visual check of all door handles. If you see anything wedged in there, remove it and physically tug the handle to confirm everything is locked. It takes 5 seconds and builds a smart habit. Modern convenience is great, but a little old-school verification keeps your stuff safe. Stay aware out there. Hack number 7, side mirror heating. Freezing rain, heavy fog, or morning ice, your side mirrors fog up or frost over, and visibility in blind spots becomes dangerous. Many vehicles have heated side mirrors. Look for the rear window defroster button on your climate controls. Pressing it often activates the mirror heaters at the same time. The mirrors clear up quickly, giving you safe, clear vision without reaching out the window. This is a real safety feature, not just a luxury. Check your owner's manual if you're not sure. Once you start using it in bad weather, you'll never want to drive without it again. Hack number 6, Apple on car windshield. That hazy film on the inside of your windshield, from dashboard off-gassing, air fresheners, and skin oils, creates glare and reduces clarity, especially at night. Cut a fresh apple in half and use the fleshy side to rub the interior glass in circular motions. The natural malic acid gently breaks down grease and residue while the texture helps lift it away. Wipe clean with a microfiber cloth or crumpled newspaper for streak-free results. It's surprisingly effective, completely chemical-free, and leaves the glass crystal clear. One apple costs pennies and does the whole windshield with room to spare. Great for tinted windows too. Hack number 5, putting car key in fridge. Your key fob range has gotten weaker. You now have to stand right next to the car for it to work. The battery is on its last legs. Instead of struggling, pop the fob in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. The cold can temporarily squeeze a bit more power from a weakening battery, giving you enough range to get through the moment. It's not a fix. Replace the battery soon. They're cheap and easy to swap, but it's a useful emergency trick when you're caught off guard. Just don't make a habit of it due to potential condensation risks. Hack number 4, lint roller for car dust. Dust, pet hair, crumbs, and lint build up fast on seats and carpets. Vacuuming misses a lot, especially on fabric. A simple lint roller, the sticky kind for clothes, picks up what the vacuum leaves behind. Roll it over seats, door panels, headliner, and floor mats. It's fast, quiet, and incredibly satisfying. Perfect for quick cleanups in parking lots or between professional details. Pet owners especially swear by it for stubborn hair. Keep one in the car. It's cheap and reusable for dozens of cleanings. Hack 3, panty liner scent trick. Tired of those little tree air fresheners that smell like chemicals and die in 2 days? Here, the expert play. Take a panty liner, apply a few drops of a high-quality essential oil like cedarwood or peppermint, and stick it to the underside of your driver's seat. The adhesive keeps it in place and the absorbent material acts as a timed release diffuser. Because it's under the seat, the scent is subtle and consistent, lasting for weeks. It's a 50-cent solution for a $1 million smelling car. Hack 2: Baby Oil for Car Shine. Don't spend $20 on interior protectant that leaves your dashboard greasy and blinding in the sun. Put a few drops of baby oil on a microfiber cloth and wipe down your plastic and vinyl trim. Baby oil is essentially high-grade mineral oil. It rehydrates the plastic, restores that deep, factory black look, and provides a dust-repellent finish. Plus, it's completely safe for your skin. Your car will look like it just rolled off the showroom floor for pennies. Hack 1: Plunger Dent Removal. This is the one body shops hate. If you have a shallow pop-in dent on a flat panel like a door or a hood, don't file an insurance claim yet. Get a standard sink plunger, wet the edges for a better seal, and give it a firm, straight pull. If the paint isn't cracked, the vacuum pressure will often pop the metal back into its original memory shape instantly. Which of these had you never heard of? I'm betting at least 5 of them were new to you. Drop a comment and let me know your favorite, and if you want to keep your car on the road longer than anyone else in your neighborhood, hit that subscribe button. Your wallet and your car will thank you. Want to see the most dangerous mistake people make with their tires? Click this video right here. You won't believe how many people get this wrong every single day.